Okay, here is the variable frequency drive fitted combined sheet and wire rolling machine. To turn on the machine, first after giving the supply, you can check the display. It should show 0 speed as it's showing now. Then you may select the reverse or forward direction as you wish to run the machine. After selecting the direction by selector knob, you can then start the machine by pressing the green button, and the display will show the speed of the roller. You can see that the rolling mill has started, and you can increase the roll speed by moving the speed knob as shown. As you move the knob, the speed of the roller increases, as you can see now, and it will be displayed on the display unit. The roller speed will be shown on the display unit also. Now it is showing 39, and this is the roller speed. You can still increase the roller speed by moving it clockwise, and the roller speed increases as it's shown in the display. You can reduce the roller speed by moving the knob anti-clockwise as shown now. Now you can see that the roller speed is reduced and roller is moving slower. You can stop the machine by pressing the red button, stop, and the rollers will come to a halt. You can start the machine again, either in reverse direction. You can change the direction by changing the knob as shown, and then again press green button, and the roller will move in the opposite direction. And again you can change the speed by moving the knob. As you move clockwise, it will increase the speed of the roller, as you can see now. You can also stop the machine by pressing the emergency stop panel by foot, as is shown now. To restart, you will have to press the green button one more time, and the machine will start again. Very easy to operate and maintain machine.